Okay, everybody. Me and my dad here are planting sweet potato slips. Basically, very simple. Just dig a little hole there, bury it down. See a little worm in here. That's a good sign right there. And you just go like that. I'll show you again here. So, some days from now, you'll see that they start to, some of them might not take, but a lot of them, most of them will. And at that point, you'll see they start getting leaves, and then you just leave them, and they'll start producing their sweet potatoes. And so many months later, you can get your harvest. And I love getting my hands full of dirt. Yeah. It's one way to do it. I'll make a video at another time where I actually use an actual sweet potato and show you how to do it like that too. But for now, we'll keep looking at it, and we'll have a video when they start getting their leaves and all that, and then eventually we'll get a harvest. I'll try to video that. Well, apparently my sweet potato slips did not take, and I'll tell you the reason. I usually take right from the sweet potato vines, and I cut them, and they even have leaves, and they're very green when I put them down. These, I had taken them out, and I had left them there for a few days, and that was the reason. They weren't fresh, and they apparently didn't take. They're all pretty much brown like this. So anyway, just another lesson to learn. Make sure you get them fresh, or if you're not going to plant them, put them in water, so that you can prolong the amount of time that, for transplant. And but not all is lost, because I'll just get I have a couple of vines that I can still take fresh slips from, and I can also get a sweet potato and plant it, and it'll grow to sprout, and it'll work. Oh, there's a little worm over there, huh? So that'll work. And so there's multiple ways. You can put them right in the ground, or you can put them in and wait till they start getting roots and water and all that. So there's a few ways to do it. I'll probably go over that at some other point. But anyway, just a quick video here on how this went, which didn't go well, but it always helps to learn from your mistakes. That way you can correct it, and you won't do it again in the future. So thanks for watching. God bless.